Fingerprint glass lock, frameless glass door installation tutorial. Installation conditions: glass door thickness between 10 to 12 millimeters. The gap between the two glass doors is between 4 to 15 millimeters. Product packaging includes manual, main lock, secondary lock, accessory package, IC card. Draw a straight line at 1.2 to 1.5 meters on the door. The back panel clips are aligned with the door edge before being attached. Snap the main lock into the glass door. Open the battery cover, screw on the corresponding 3 screws. The back panel clips are aligned with the door edge before being attached. Snap the secondary lock into the glass door. Screw on the corresponding 2 screws. Plug the soft rubber plug. Install 4 AA batteries. Attach the battery cover. Test whether the glass lock works properly. 1 key unlock. When the latch senses the door is closed, it will automatically pop up. Fingerprint ID successful, open the door. The installation is complete.